My name is Jessy. I'm from Ghana, but then I grew up in Spain. I still live in Spain. I'm studying business management and I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to own the biggest jewelry mall in Utah State. I went to BYU Provo and it was amazing. Absolutely. Just not my vibe. I moved to Salt Lake 4 months ago, started Ensign, and 2 weeks into classes, she's like, okay, Jessy, how's it going? How's Ensign? I think they will accept everything. And I'm like, we're not sure yet because they're evaluating everything. And so let's see if they do. If they do, then I guess I'll get my bachelor's here. And then I tell her, she's not expected this. I'm like, I love Ensign College. And she's like, oh, really? That's amazing. That's perfect. I'm so glad it worked out finally. And she's like, why do you like it? And I was like, it gives me so much hands-on experience. My geography class was intense. It's about 150 quizzes per week. I go to that class twice a week. It's 3 credit. And the other schools, I loved it too, but it wasn't as intense and I didn't really get practical. And by practicals, I mean workshops, going out there, going to Ensign Peak, visiting places, taking photos of sedimentary rocks, bring this to class. I use the scientific method a lot to test my theory about something I learned in class, and I had to present and had to teach the class. So I just literally got involved in what was being taught, and you're not afraid to talk. I'm never afraid to talk in class. At BYU, it's 200 students, so I get that the professor can see everyone, but I always raise my hands if I have a question or something to contribute. But it's awkward because you don't want to make a mistake. You don't want someone to laugh at your accent. But Ensign has like 200 countries on the same campus. So accents are just nothing. Like, you appreciate it actually. It's beautiful and you feel free, and classes are smaller. I had about 15 to 20, almost 30 people in my class, and it was fun. It was just fun being able to teach each other, talk, and work in teams. Oh my gosh, I've gotten better. I hate working in teams because I always want to do it myself, but now I'm way better at respecting other people's culture, how they may want to evaluate something. I now comprehend that we think differently, not just as humans, but also culturally, and we accept things differently and operate differently in general. And it's all because of Ensign College. It's not because my other schools didn't give me that. It's just different here. This is like a hidden treasure. People don't know this. People need to know this. Ensign, for me, is perfect. The biggest lesson I learned is not to judge a book by its cover. Actually get to know something. Actually give it your all, and that's the key, at least for me. Give something your all, and then it might surprise you what you might learn, who you might meet, and stuff like that. Ensign College makes me feel amazing. It doesn't feel like a chore. You don't feel, am I going to understand this? And even if I don't, will someone help me? Would I just have a tutor that just comes and says, yeah, this is this and that, and leave? Or can I actually get involved with my colleagues and sit down and ask questions? I feel like you can actually sit with a professor. I had my business law professor would just talk to you for like 30 minutes alone and says, are you okay? Like, did I answer your questions? Or do you need more? And if you did need more, he would still wait and just talk to you. I've never had that before. This place is amazing.
Thanks for watching today's video.
If you enjoyed today's content, drop a like and subscribe to Ensign College.
To learn how Ensign College could help your career, click the link below.